Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see Take Every versus Take Latest Redux Haga effect in this counter application. So I hope you have already watched the video related to the Take effect in Redux Haga, and if you haven't watched that video, then please click on this I button to watch that video. Okay, so coming to Take Every effect in Redux Haga. So let's jump to the VS Code and I will do some few changes here, and I will comment this one. Sorry, this one, and Take Every, and I will copy this action. Not on. We need another watcher here. So we need to define first here. On increment. Okay. So here basically Take Every is creating a new hub task and is spawning new sagas for every increment action coming. So in application, something okay. So in application, if you click 3 times to increment counter like that, um, okay, which means if I click 3 times means 3 increment actions are running on 3 new on increment saga. Okay, so I have clicked 3 times in the application, and three basically new uh, hub tasks basically created on this on increment saga. So this on increment saga, 3 new subtasks basically got created. So if I change this code and if I put delay again, so if I put delay of 3000 means 3 second. So if I click again 3 times here, look. So this does not stop every other action. As you can see, I am still getting the console log printed as a incremented because Take Every is spawning new sagas on every increment action coming in. Okay, so now I will do some changes in reducer. Okay, so you will understand better. So I will do like increment saga. Okay. Okay. So I will import put to dispatch another action from our Redux Saga. So I will dispatch another action like type, and this is the action I will dispatch from Redux Saga. Means from this saga file. Okay. So this is the actual way to update the reducer from Saga. Okay. So now if I go to application again, and if I click again 3 times, I have clicked I think 5 times. So you can see that we are basically after 3 seconds, this yield basically dispatching the increment Haga. Okay. So what like if I'm interested in only the last click within this 3 seconds. Okay. So the last click means this last Haga which fired. I am interested only this to happen and cancel all other action. Okay. So we have another effect to handle this uh, situation in our Redux Haga. Okay, so what I will do, I will bring the take latest and I will just remove that take every and replace with the take latest. Okay, now you will see in the application. So I'll just clear and I am going to click only 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We got only the last click here with the help of take latest effect. So take latest effect basically what do, no matter how many times I click this, it will cancel all the previous one and only trigger the latest one that was clicked. But I am still getting this console log because this first yield statement is still synchronous and on increment still spawning new Haga every time we clicked. And here our generator function got stuck for 3000 millisecond. So here we are yielding control back to our Haga middleware so that it can cancel any of the ongoing Haga if it wanted to. This is exactly what happening when we do take latest. So overall here Redux Haga cancelling every previous response Haga that was generated except for the latest one. So I hope you understand the difference between take every and the take latest in Redux Haga. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then please press the like button and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you. Bye bye.